I just got some oil paint on my shoes.
Bella! Where the hell have you been, loca?
Good morning, Gorge. It is Friday, February 23rd. Let me tell you what's tea. What's tea is that I've got a flight to New Jersey today. 0 packed suitcases. 0 folded clean laundry. The clothes that I'm gonna be packing are clean, but they are definitely in my hamper or on my bed. I've got a severely irritated tummy, ridiculous cramps because the full moon's tomorrow, and $1 and a dream. Y'all, I'm in Princeton. More on that later, but I do have to film a self-tape that is due tonight, but really like this afternoon. And I've done the 3, I still have to do one more movement test. And I did the 3 scenarios. This is like a facial thing. The final one is act like you're preparing or anticipating a cyber attack. What? Gorge, this is some real Leezy lore right here. We are on the roof of the visual arts building. This is like literally my home. I have such a special relationship to this roof. Filming myself at this exact angle, talking through my earliest days as an artist at this school, and really feeling so troubled and so uncertain of my ability to create something meaningful for self. It's just crazy to be up here and like feel so weightless in comparison to a previous self from 3 years ago, 3 springs past. It just hurts that I just can't do anything that I'm proud of. I just want to be proud of myself. And I'm just trying so hard to break out of those chains of like living for other people and living for other people's expectations of me. But I don't even feel proud or happy or satisfied. And I've never felt that. I just want to feel that for once. I find great joy in like being able to impact people through honest confessions of self in my art and in my practice of creating. I'm an entirely different person, and I have a portfolio of work that speaks to the vision that I want to see in the world. I have a lot of projects that I'm working on. I think I'm trying to find my way through to the end of those projects. I think in being on campus this week, I will be able to reconnect to my ability to work and get things done, especially when it comes to art. I feel really grateful to be here today, and I'm in much better spirits than yesterday. It's just overwhelming to know that like this place continues to go even after you leave. And like this was my home for 4 years. All of my mail came here. Like I was more often than not in Princeton, New Jersey, and I just feel grateful to understand and see the difference and the space between the selves that I inhabited when I was on this campus and like the selves that I have created in Chicago and who I will become when I move to Philly in a few months. I feel present. I'm alive. I'm alive, and I am creative, and I am joyful, and I am trying to make something shake. Like these big, fat, juicy cheeks. Had a show in Chicago last year, and I have a show this spring in Chicago, and I'm doing the damn thing. I'm a young artist, an emerging artist in the making, and she is making. And that is enough. That is enough for me. I love you, Sam, and I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so happy to be celebrating Julia's art tonight. I can't wait to show y'all the gallery because it looks nuts. It's incredible. She's in the same gallery that I was in 2 years ago, and it's incredible. Psst, I see dead people.
know what's up with these phony ass niggas trying to see Compton. The industry can hate me, fuck them all in the mama. How many options you really got? I mean, there's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the throw on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that gets your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 that fuck him up. Wop, 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 I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. You think the pay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop.
Hello. It's a new day. Today is Tuesday, February 27th. And my fat juicy booty is making noise. Anyways, I'm in Julia's studio. It's very weird to be back in the studio, but very grounding in the sense that I have been like longing to have access to dedicated space where I can just create. I've really been needing the ability to ground myself and my ideas in a space that encourages you to make a mess. So thanks, Julia, for letting me use your studio today. I'll tell you what materials I've got in front of me. Rereading The Creative Act by Rick Rubin, because we're writing the EP and I need some guidance as I undertake a well, I'm working on a lot of different projects right now. I'm writing the EP, I'm working on my zine, and I'm working on my contribution for Boomy, which is due on Friday. It's Tuesday. And I do have an idea, but I need to do some research about butterflies. I've got my journal, classic. I've got a new sketchbook, which I really love the print of. I think that will make me more excited to create. I've got oil pastels. These are the same ones I had my senior year of college. They've been through it. And I just bought a set of illustration markers before I left Chicago. So that's what I'm working with. I also have gouache paint and no brushes. I bought a little traveling kit of brushes so that I could paint while I was in New Jersey. I was really excited about it. And I suppose I left it at home in Chicago. I think that I'm going to set a timer for like an hour. And in that hour, I would like to read a little bit, write, and then start drawing. Yup. And see, got some pomegranate lemonade, and let's make it happen.
About you, I don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about you. I won't give a fuck about you. I won't give a fuck about you. I won't give a fuck about you. I give you all my trust. If you don't mess this up, you're like trying to get no other girls when you're in the club. All you got is that from you. I'm the only one to see.
We're letting it dry. What kind of cake is it? Ooh. That one's for me. Watch this. Oh. Girl. Are you serious? We can do it. Am I dumb? Okay, well. Oh my goodness, we're back in Chicago. I'm excited to sleep in my bed tonight. I got new nipple rings and I put the one in But isn't that so fucking cute? It's a star that's like literally on my tit. Ugh, to die for. I feel fabulous. And I was kind of dreading coming back to Chicago. I have an interesting relationship with the space. I've decided that it's in my best interest to just act like the baddest bitch I can every single fucking day. That's how we're gonna get through. Something about being in Princeton just gave me like the utmost confidence to strut my shit and like let people know that I am healthy and I am so much more whole than I was when I was at that institution, because it really like took me outside of myself, but taught me a lot of lessons about what I am and what I am not willing to accept. I've been reading, which is really exciting to me. I've been journaling. I've been trying to work on my zine. I got to see my mama and I got to go home, which is weird and good. Yeah, home was good. I don't enjoy spending too much time there. Like, I feel like I spent 17.9 years there. Like, that's a lot of time. It was just nice to like drive by my old elementary school and middle school and like remember all the twists and turns around town and the lore of my life that is attached to certain places. I really only came here to tell you about the nipple ring, so I'm gonna stop gabbing. I'm going on a date tomorrow. I don't know if I'll keep that part in, but if I do, I'm going on a date tomorrow. Is it a date? I don't know.